In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use voice changer on TikTok in 2020 and beyond. So right now, I actually just recorded a video and I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on TikTok with the voice effects. So step number one would be to open TikTok and to click on the plus icon where you can record a video. Now I just did that myself just to show you how this works, because otherwise if I would start recording, I couldn't actually record on TikTok, which makes sense. But anyway, record your video by clicking on the plus icon and then click on the little thick icon, and then you can click on voice effects at the top right corner. So let me just turn on my volume. Okay, so that's the video. Now you can click on voice effects and then you can select any of these. Chipmunk.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this video. I'm now recording this. So yeah, there you go. That's exactly how you
change your voice on TikTok. Let's go.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this video. I'm now recording this. So yeah, there you go. That's exactly how you can change your voice on TikTok. Let's go.
Okay, so you get the point. So you can choose any of these. So we have giant, elf, mic, echo, electronic, shake, baritone, chipmunk, all of these effects, and you can use these simply by opening the TikTok app, recording a video, and then pretty much selecting the voice effect that you want to use on your video. Now the shake effect, not snake, but the shake effect is very trending, so you want to use that if you want to go viral. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can get the voice effects on TikTok. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video so that we can reach more people, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.